Hi everyone, welcome back to the CAIRS app. I'm going to show you how to work with client profiles and what they are. So again, my usual, I start off reminding you, choose the client that you want to work with. In this case, we're working with our client CAIRS. That's our client. This was found on page 2 of the dashboard under client profile. And we click on client profile and you'll see it's totally blank at the moment. So how do we do this? Well, the simplest way to do this is to just generate a new profile. Now just bear in mind it's going to use AI to do this. It's going to use all of the data that your client filled in or you helped them fill in, or you filled in with them on the intake form. So I'm just going to click on generate new profile, and while we're doing this, it'll go through to AI. It's going to take a little bit of time, and we always do this like 45 seconds or so. What it's going to do is it's going to take all of the data from that form, and please bear in mind, if you've been watching along, we have not filled in that form at all, so it's going to come back with made up data, but it's going to come back and it's going to try and build a client profile for you. This is really helpful from a templating perspective as well. It might not bring back perfect data, and you can obviously regenerate this as you get more and more and better data with this, but it certainly help you in getting things going. So you'll see client profile for it's client CAIRS, and the service required is credit repair coaching, because that's what I am, and it started to do a whole bunch of info. Now please be aware that this is not necessarily accurate, because this will depend on the amount of data and input that the client has given you, or if you've worked with the client. So you might actually redo this profile throughout your coaching or mentoring with this particular client. But as usual, you are able to edit this, change this, or even regenerate this if you want to. So you can go into here and you can make changes if you want. This as an example, and it's all yours. Now, again, most importantly, just be aware that this is not shared with your client. This is just a helper, and it's to help you as an advisor build up a profile of your client over time. And especially if your client leaves and comes back 3 or 4 or 6 months later, you can do updates to this. You can see where they last left off. It's a really, really nice, simple way of keeping a profile of your client. So that's it. That's all there is to it, to creating profiles. And I hope you enjoyed that session. Thank you.